Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have MJK. Kelly's here with us with a song called Don't Let Me Go. Alright, so this is basically two chords that alternate with each other, and we're gonna look at very easy picking here and also combine that with the strumming. So let's go. Right, we have the capo set here on the first fret, and with that we have two chords. I'm gonna call them just simply G and A. Not necessarily the technical name, but just for the sake of being easy and understandable, we'll go with G and A. So the G chord will look like this. So that is third on E, and then I mute the next string, which is the A. I lean this finger, in this case my middle finger, on top of the A string, so that gets muted. And then open D, open G, third B, and second E. That's the G grip and chord. And the next one, the A, is to go to this grip. And that is open A, open D, second G, third B, and open E. So from G to A. All right. So we're gonna learn first the picking pattern here. So we're going back to G here, and I suggest you hold the chord as I am here with the mid finger on the third fret E string, and then your ring finger on the third fret B string. That will be sort of glued there the entire song, and then you have the index finger to work on the E string down here, the second E string to start with now with this G chord. All right, so this is the grip, and you're gonna play like this for the picking pattern of G. All right, so that will be third on E string in the bass, then open D, then the second fret high E string, and third B string. That is one round, so you're just gonna play one round per chord, and it alternates like that through the entire song. The next chord, like we learned here, we learned that A, it's like this, but for this picking pattern here, you don't have to hold anything but this third fret B string. So it goes. All right, so that will be open A, open D, high E string, and third B. So, and you simply just alternate between these two chords, so it sounds like this. Perhaps a bit slower, I'm not sure there, but that is how you play it. All right, this is the picking pattern that I suggest, and that is the main part of the song. We can also combine that with a strumming pattern. We're gonna look at two very similar strumming patterns. So now, when you work with the strumming, you need to hold a full chord. So G here and A like this, all right? So G and A. So if you go to the G here, we're gonna learn the strumming here with the beats. All right, so we're gonna learn down, down, clap, down. So, all right, so that is one round. Down, down, clap, down. Like that. So you're gonna play one string around per chord, and then you shift to A, so it will sound like this. The second alternative here of strumming will be just simply 4 downs. But here I suggest that you emphasize the third down if you choose that. So that instead of playing a clap there, you replace that with a down. And that down, you play more on the higher notes down here, all right? Around the E, B, and G string. So all the other downs, more on the bass. So it will be bass, bass, and then top, bass, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. And if you choose this second alternative here of strumming, you could actually go and try to get the actual notes here from the picking pattern. So there are 4 notes and there are 4 downs here in this second strumming pattern. So that means each and every down can hunt down, so to speak, the actual note we want to go for. So it could sound something like this. You can play around a little bit with it. That pretty much gives you all you need to handle MGK's Don't Let Me Go, a nice song there. It doesn't have to be harder than that. 2 chords back and forth, and that gives you a full complete song like this one. So hope you enjoyed it, and if it was helpful, please support me here on Gordon Guitar. Show me a like on this tutorial and subscribe if you haven't yet to the channel. And until next time, guys, play tuned.